We'll guide you through how to make a stand in Please Donate Mobile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a stand means you can start getting donations in Please Donate. Let's guide you through this. Come and join the game, and what you want to do is come to an unclaimed stand. What you need to do is come up to it, and it says Stand Claim. Go and tap your finger on it like so, and we've now gone and claimed it. So you can go and see the text and donation buttons. I'll show you how you can add buttons. I already have done this. Tap and hold again so we can start editing it. So at the top, you can go and edit the actual booth. We can go and unlock more. Now what you can do is go and press edit, and you can go and choose what the text says there. You can go and choose the font, the color, the stroke stroke opacity, rich text, and as you can see, there are some other things here, but they are VIP, so you need to go and get that. Now to go and add donation buttons, press the Roblox icon in the top left, and we need to go and leave. You then need to come out of Roblox and open up a web browser. It doesn't matter whether it's Chrome or Safari. Tap on the address bar and type in create.roblox.com. You can then press go in the bottom right, and here we are. Press login in the top right, and you can then sign in. Press the three lines in the top left, and you want to go and press dashboard. Come into experiences, then my experiences, and tap on the name of the place. Everyone will have one by default. Then press the three lines in the top left and scroll down to monetization. Find passes, scroll down again and press create a pass. You can then choose an image if you want and give it a name. Add a description if you wish and press create pass. Scroll down and go and find it, and you need to go and click on it. You may need to tap it twice, then press the three lines in the top left and press sales. Switch on item for sale. The price is going to be the donation amount. So I'll type in 40 for example. I'll then press save changes, and we've now updated it. Now you can return to Please Donate. Come to an unclaimed stand and you can claim it, and we've now added a donation button. And of course you can then edit the text amongst other things.